Hi there, welcome to our channel Fleetech. In this video, we'll talk about how to use Expedia points to book travel. So for this, navigate to Expedia app and click on it to open. So once the app is opened, now here you need to click on account section in the right bottom corner. So as you click on account, so there you will find the points that you have. Okay, so now if you search for any travel or any hotel, so for this what you can do is simply click on the hotel that you want to book or a flight and then click on checkout. As you click on checkout, so here scroll down to the end and you need to add a payment method. So enter all of your details here, then enter your phone number. So the section where it's saying get started, so here as you can see the statement credit, so the points that you have will automatically applied when you are in checkout process and you will get the discount automatically. So this is how you can use Expedia points to book travel or hotels. This is it for today's video. I hope you like it. If you have any question, please comment down below and do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. Bye.